you walking, Moose?
Yeah.
Good job, kiddo. Say, come on, Moose.
Hold on.
Oh my God, Moose just 2 feet on Savannah.
Oh my God, Moose, that was the rudest thing I've ever seen. We're gonna euthanize you for that one, buddy.
What's wrong, sweetie?
You got pee on your foot?
Cool.
Now grab the leash, Savannah. Get the leash. Get the leash. Get it, quick.
Quick.
Get it.
Get your leash. Oh my God. Oh.
Get the leash. Is Moosey okay? Savannah, is Moose okay? What's he doing?
He's doing what?
He's doing what? Is Moosey a fish? Savannah.